the video about the solution of some selected problems taken from the binomial expansion of the major mathematics for grade 12, and I have designed this video to revise your lessons during this lockdown period. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, let us start our lessons. So the binomial expansion, we start from the binomial theorem. For any positive integer n, a plus x whole power n is equal to nc0 a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 x to the power 1 plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 x to the power 2 plus and so on. And finally the last one is ncn x to the power n. And this is the binomial theorem, statement of the binomial theorem. What we see here, the power of a is gradually decreasing, n minus 1, n minus 2, and finally it is n minus n. That means a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we don't write that one here. And in case of x, for the second term, what we see, the power is gradually increasing. Look at here. In first term, the power is x to the power 0 and this is 1. So we have not written here. So the another power is x to the power 1, x to the power 2, x to the power n. Okay. So what we see here, 1 and 1. The power, the suffix of c and this and power of x is same. 0, x 0, 1. Okay. Now I've given you two simple examples that we frequently used in previous classes. A plus x whole square. Okay. And this is equal to, in terms of the binomial theorem, 2c0 a2 plus 2c1 a1 x1 plus 2c2 x2. And the same as a square plus 2ax plus x square. Because 2c0 is 1, 2c1 is 2, and 2c2 is 1. So the expansion of a plus x whole power 2 is this one. There are three terms. Similarly, you can see a plus x whole power cube. Okay, there are four terms. So what we see in the binomial expansions, if the power is n, then there are n plus 1 terms. Okay, in a plus x power n, okay, a power x power n, there is n plus 1 terms. Okay, त्यहाँ चाहिँ कतिवटा हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि n plus 1 terms हुन्छ है. Okay, so now we discuss about some formula. So first is the general term. Look at the general terms. Tr plus 1 is c n r times a n minus r x r. Okay, look at here. Okay, the c n r and n c r, it is the same thing. Okay, we can represent c n r by n c r or n c r by c n r. So Tr plus 1 is the general terms, and this is given by Cnr in power n minus r xr, and for the expansion of a plus x whole power n. This is binomial expansion and its general term is given by this. And again, if n is even, there are middle terms, even, there are one middle terms, Tn by 2 plus 1. And this is given by Cn n by 2 times a n by 2 times x to the power n by 2. So there is only one middle term, if n is 2. Look at the first examples. N is 2, that is even. So there are only one middle terms. This is the middle term. Okay, only one middle terms. So look at the second examples now. There are two middle terms. Why? The n is odd. So n is odd, then there are two middle terms, 1 and 2. So how is that? If n is odd, then there are two middle terms. First middle term is t n minus 1 by 2 plus 1, c n n minus 1 by 2, a n plus 1 by 2 times x n minus 1 by 2. Look at it. This and this power is same. Okay, c n minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and you can write n plus 1 by 2 here. So second middle term is c n plus 1 by 2 times a n minus 1 by 2 and x to the power n plus 1 by 2. And the same power, look at here. So always these two entity must be same. Okay, now we start the solutions of our problem. Okay, let us see problem 1. So we have to find the coefficient of xy in the expansion of x plus 1 by x whole power 7. I've not written in the expansion, okay, it is understood. So when we expand it, then what is the coefficient of xy? So here, the given binomial is x plus 1 by x whole power 7. Okay. And we have to find coefficient, we write short, coefficient of x5. So power is 5. Okay, we have to find this one. Okay, now we start from the general term. Always we start from general terms. Now the general term is tr plus 1 is c nr times a to the power n minus r times x to the power r. Okay, so we have to find the coefficient of x5. So this term r must be 5, x to the power 5. We must have here x to the power 5 to get it. Okay, so now we first write down here in this expansion x plus 1 by x. What is a is x. Okay, a is tends to x, you can write like this, and x is tends to 1 by x. Okay, this x is 1 by x, a is x, and n is 7. Remember this. So c 7 are to be determined. Okay, are to be determined, and a, that is x to the power n is 7 minus r times x is 1 by x. So 1 by x, r is r. Okay, so c n r, a to the power n minus r, a is x is 1 by x. Okay, r as it is. So c 7 r, so x to the power 7 minus r times the power of 1. You know, any power of 1 is 1. Okay, so 1 to the power 1 is 1 to the power r is 1, and x to the power r. So on simplification, 7r times x, 7 minus r, and this is same denominator, so we write here r, because xm times 1 by xn equal to xm minus n. Remember this rule, law of indices. So c 7r times x 7 minus 2r. So now what we have to find? We have to find the coefficient of x5. So this power must be 5. Okay, this power must be 5. Look at here. Then we can get the coefficient. So now again we can write, okay, now we have to find the coefficient of x5, so we equate 7 minus 2r equal to 5. Okay, remember this too. And this equals 7 minus 5 equals 2r, and therefore r equal to 1. Okay, r is 1. So hence the coefficient of x5, coefficient of x5 equal to, this is the coefficient C7 comma R, C7 comma R, that is C7. When this 7 minus 2R is equal to 5, then R is equal to 1, 7, 1. So this can be written as 7 factorial by 7 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial, and this is 7 times 6 factorial by 7 minus 1, 6 factorial into 1, and cut, that is 7. So the coefficient of x5 is 7. So look at here, r equal to 1 and 7 minus 2r is equal to 5. Okay, so coefficient of x5 is, this term is x5, coefficient of x5 is this one. Okay, so this is the solution of first part, and now look at the second term. 2 given binomial, that is x cube plus 1 by x whole power 15. So we have to find coefficient of free from x, term free from x. Which term is? Oh, okay, we have to find term free of x, that is term containing x to the power 0. Okay, because free from x. So again we start from the general term. T r plus 1 is c n r times a n minus r x to the power r. So c n r, n is, how much is there? N is 15 and a is, x cube, and x is 1 by x. Is that clear? A is x cube, x times 1 by x. So 15 r times the value of a is, you can write here a, first term, this is the first term, x cube whole power n is 15 minus r times x, that is 1 by x, second term 1 by x, r, that is r. So C 15r times x to multiply this 2 power 45 minus 3r into 1 by xr. This equals C 15r times x 45 minus 3r minus r. Okay, and this equals C 15r times x 45 minus 4r. Okay, now what we have here? The power of x is 0. So we equate this 45 minus 4r by with 0. So therefore, again, now equating 45 minus 4r equal to 0. This means r equal to 4r equal to 45 and r is equal to 45 by 4. What we see here? This r is positive integers. Okay? N, r are all positive integers. Okay? But what we have here? 45 by 4, which is not positive integer. So the term free of x does not exist in x cube plus 1 by x whole power 15. Okay? When it is x plus 1 by x, it's again the term free from x doesn't exist. So we make this 3 2. Okay, now it's possible. Listen, given binomial x square plus 1 by x whole power 15 and the same formula for general term and write x to power 2 for a and x by 1 by x, and 15 to the 30 minus 2 times r is 2r, and then we have this result 2 minus 2 and minus r, and it becomes minus 3r. And then what is the solution then? So now this 30 minus 3r is equated with 0. So 30 minus 3r equal to 0. This means 3r is equal to 30. Therefore the value of r is 10. The value of r is 10. So now this is positive integers. Okay. If it is negative, then it doesn't exist. So the term free of x is equal to c, and that is 15, r is 10 times a, that is x square 15 minus 10 times 1 by x, and the term is, you can write directly this one. This is the long one. X to the power 13 minus 3 into 10. Okay, and this means c 15 comma 10. 30 minus 30 is 0. Okay, 0, and this is c 15 comma 10. So look at it. No x in this term. So it is the term free of x. Okay, this is the answer. You can expand it. Okay, sometimes you can expand it, that is 15 factorial by 15 minus 10, that is 5 factorial into 10 factorial. Okay, and then 15 into 14 into, okay, 13 into 12 into 10 factorial by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 times 10 factorial, and this got, and you can get the answer. Okay, simplify yourself. Now we find the middle terms. Question number 3. Find the middle term in the expansion x plus 1 by x whole power 18. So here the middle term given binomial is x plus 1 by x whole power 18. Okay, and n is 18, that is even. Therefore there is one middle term, and this middle term is given by cn n by 2, a to the power n by 2 and x n by 2. Therefore the middle term is t n by 2 plus 1 equal to c n by 2 times a to the power n by 2 times x n by 2. So now we replace. N is 18, 18 by 2, that is 9 plus 1, c 18 comma n by 2, that is 9, 18 by 2 is 9, a, that is first term is x power n, and the second term is 1 by x whole power n by 2, that is 9. So x to the power 9 and x to the power 9 cancel to each other, c 18, and this means 1. Okay, so Now x9, okay, you just write like this. 1 power 9, 1, x power 9 is x9. And these two cancel out and we get 18, 9. This is the middle term of the terms, the binomial x plus 1 by x whole power 18. This is the answer. Okay, you can expand it and find, okay. And this is left as an exercise. Okay, now we have a fourth solution. So question number 4 is the given expansion is 1 by x whole power 7. So we have to find here n equal to 7, that is odd. Therefore, there are two middle terms. And they are, look at here, first middle terms. You don't write directly. First middle term, Tn minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and this equal to formula C n into n minus 1 by 2 comma a to the power n plus 1 by 2 into x n minus 1 by 2. So now therefore t n is 7 minus 1 6 3 plus 1. Okay, putting n is equal to 7 and simplifying these terms, we get 7 minus 1 4. Okay, 7 minus 1 6 divided by 2 is 3, and c, and it is 7, and 7 minus 1 6 divided by 2 is 3. So a, the first term is the x n is 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 4, and the second term is 1 by x, so x is replaced by 1 by x whole times. So 7 minus 1 6 divided by 2 is 3. So c 7 3 times x to the power 4 times 1 to the power cube 1 and x cube, and this is c 7 3 and x. Okay, that's 4 minus 3. C 7 3 times x. So you can expand it yourself. Okay, write the values of c 7 3. This is the first middle terms. Now we have a second middle term here. Again, second middle term. It is given by t n plus 1 by 2 plus 1, and this is equal to c n plus 1 by 2 times a to the power n minus 1 by 2 times x to the power n plus 1 by 2. Okay, remember this formula. So t n, that is 7 plus 1 8 4 plus 1, and this is equal to c 7 comma 4 times a is the first term, that is the x. Okay, x to the power 7 minus 1, that is cube, and x second term is 1 by x, so 1 by x whole power, that is power 4, and this equals c 7 4 times x into 1 by x to the power 4, and this equals c 7 4 times 1 by x. Okay, this is the another answer. You can simplify this and write the answer. Okay, this was for today. I hope you have satisfied from this video. I will see more videos in coming days if the lockdown period extended. Thank you for watching the video.